So over here, I have some organic oranges, and like I said before, I'm going to be using just the peel of the oranges. Now I'm going to peel the oranges. I'm using just 3 oranges because I'm making this in small quantity. This video is strictly for illustration purposes. In other words, the quantity of orange peels you want to make will determine the number of oranges to use. So yes, feel free to make as much as you want. You can even make this for commercial purposes because I'm very aware that orange peel powder is sold in organic skincare markets in Nigeria. So you can even start up your own business because the sale of organic skincare materials is a lucrative business here in Nigeria. So while I'm peeling the oranges, I want to give out my very first shout out on this channel, and it goes to Flourish, and she's watching from Benue State in Nigeria. Thank you so much, Flourish, for watching. I really appreciate you. If you want me to also give you a shout out, please tell me your name and where you're watching from in the comment section, and you'll be sure to get a shout out from me in my next video. So I'm done peeling the oranges, so right now I'm going to wash the orange peels. Once you're done washing, you get an oven tray or any oven safe tray. You place the orange peels in it and then you dry in the oven. You can as well sun dry this by keeping it under direct sunlight for 3 days until it is perfectly dried. The dried peels should be very crisp and they should literally break into half. So right now I'm preparing this for blending by cutting the peels into small pieces in order to aid the blender. After cutting them, you transfer into a blender and grind it to powder. After grinding, you transfer the orange peel powder to an airtight container, preferably glass jar, and store it away from direct sunlight. Now that's how you get your orange peel powder.